Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be going over variable scopes in Python. So the scope is the region that a variable is recognized. A variable is only available from inside the region it is created in. A global and locally scoped versions of a variable can be created. So you can have both a local and a global. It depends on what you want. And a variable is only available from inside the region it is created in. So if you create it globally, it will be available globally. If you create it locally, then it'll only be local. And I'll help you understand with the help of a few examples. So for the first example, we have a global scope available inside and outside all functions. And so you can start with say name, and then my name is Yusuf. So there it is. That's a global variable. And if you type print name and you run the file, you'll get my name. But you can create a local variable. And to do that, say you define a function. So define, say, print name. Let's call the function print name. And then within the print name function, we want to create a variable, call it name. And then for this, let's say hello, or let's say something like David, make more sense. So, and then print name. So this right here is a local variable. This is a global variable because this is within this function. So it's local to this function only. It can't be accessed from outside this function. So let's say if you call it name1, okay, if you say here print name, print name, okay, print name works as you can see because it's a global, but print name1 doesn't work. You get an error. So this is local scope. Okay, let's run this. So if we run it, again, we're just printing the name. So we need to print this, we need to call the function. So I can't type today, sorry. Print name, you run it, and you get the name. And here, if you say, yeah, that's basically it, sorry. So if you call the print name function, it will print the name. If you just print the name, it will print this name. It will print Yusuf because this is global, whereas this is local. So to access this one, you're going to have to call the function, and you can make them the same name because this one is local whereas this one is global. So it doesn't matter if it's the same name because they're basically stored in two different areas. So that's basically it for this video today. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more Python and computer science videos.